Hi, I'm Steve Romine, and I'm with David Menzies, and we're videotaping the readings off of the smart meter bank of smart meters on Woodstock Commons development up behind Sunflower off of Playhouse Lane Road in Woodstock, New York. June 3rd, I'm sorry folks. So anyway, we're using this gigahertz solution, and it's called a high frequency analyzer, and it's made in Germany. And it has two scales on it. One is 1999 and the other is 199. It measures microwatts per meter squared. And this is the meter for not spending thousands and thousands of dollars, but this is the top of the line meter for measuring smart meters that everybody's using around the country, professional people and other people too. The safe level of the smart meter emissions is, in Germany, it's 10 microwatts per meter squared, and in the United States, it's 600 to 1,000 microwatts per meter squared. And the difference, the rather broad difference, is that the values in the United States were based on 1970s research, and they were only seeing if the measurement would determine if your skin could be burned by the emissions from the microwave radiation. And of course, 40 years of research has shown that it does more than burn your skin, but can cause a host of illnesses, even leading up to cancer, and EHC, which is electro-hypersensitivity. So I'm going to go walk forward here. We're about, I'm going to march out 6 steps from the meter. Three, 4, 5, 6. That's 2 meters, and that's what the pamphlet and the people that sell the meters say to get an accurate reading is 6 feet or 2 meters. I'm going to turn around here. We'll turn this thing on. We're at 6 feet, folks, and or 2 meters, and I'm going to turn it on. As soon as we turn it on, as you can see, if you can look and see, can you see the scales on there? See, we're on the bottom scale right now. I just pulled it down, and that's 1999. And let's see what we get. We're going to turn it on. The first thing that'll happen is it'll calibrate itself to 0. See, it's going down by itself, but then it gets pretty close, and then that's about it. Now it'll start to go back up. So we're going to point it toward the meters. Okay, we're up to, there was 12, and we were at a height of 12 just a minute ago. 1200, I mean. 400, 1000. It's pulsating, folks, so that's why you see the varying measurements. So we just got up to 800. Obviously, it's transmitting. We can all agree on that. It's definitely transmitting. Contrary to our power company's statement, it only transmits once or twice a month. That was 800 we just saw there. And again, repeating, the safe figures by European countries say 10 microwatts per meter squared is safe. We're up to 800 here. I saw 1200 when we first started. We're going to move 3 feet closer, so we're going to be 3 feet away from the meter. Okay, we're now 3 feet away from the meter, folks. It just topped the scale at 3 feet. It's off the scale at 3 feet. See that? When it goes to 1, when it shows that 1 all the way on the left, it means it's beyond the scale. And anybody can call up Gigahertz Solutions or actually call up Less EMF store in Albany who sells this meter and ask them what it means when the meter shows it going off the scale at 1, just like it did just a minute ago. I have the scale tilted at 30 degrees. That's what the angle of this high frequency analyzer should be according to the instructions. And we're approximately 3 feet away, actually a little more, but we're about 3 feet away. And it tops the scale. All right, well, thanks for tuning in, folks.